Have you ever wondered how parrots could help with tooth extraction? A young boy's family keeps parrots as pets.
What? Maybe you don't know what you're dealing with. You're dealing with your parrot life. What's special about this video apart from animal abuse, using a poor parrot to take out your infected tooth? Just to let you know, you may kill your parrot. The infection can be transmitted to the parrot. I'm not blaming the kid, he's just a kid and he's not mature enough. But the parent who's filming to gain some stupid views. Stop putting animals into danger, especially for fun.